Welcome back to the Trade with Resolve channel. If you're new to the channel and interested in viewing live day trades, platform tutorials, or learning basic trading terminology, then please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm currently watching ROKU here, so we have a gap down this morning with bearish momentum, so I'm just looking to buy one put contract here. I am expecting the price to continue lower. ROKU tends to have a wide spread, and so I like to start with a small position size just to mitigate risk a bit. So I am in ROKU at 130. You can see here we have over a 10 cents spread here. And so I'm looking to just ride this bearish momentum to the downside for a quick scalp. Let's see what happens with the price action. So I am all out of this scalp trade for a 46% gain, which equated to a $61 profit in just a couple of minutes. So at this point, we still have bearish momentum here on ROKU. So for the next trade, I may wait for a retracement and then look for a potential short opportunity for continuation to the downside. I hope you enjoyed this quick live trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.